Hello everyone, you are on my blog Market Analysis with MakeModi.com and my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you the next best possible pattern that you can identify, and that is a triangle pattern. In order to understand how the triangle pattern forms, I will give you the criteria and its prerequisites to understand how many touch points are required to say that it is a triangle pattern, and how you manage to trade the triangle pattern. So for a triangle pattern, it can definitely be a continuation pattern or a reversal pattern. So the requirement is, unlike other patterns that normally comes at the tops and the bottoms, it can come at the tops, it can come at the bottoms, and it can come during the current trend of the pattern. So let us first understand how to draw a triangle pattern. So here is, you draw a triangle pattern. Say for example, if the market is falls down, then you see something like, so here when you see something like this, it's a consolidation after the fall. So market, and you need to draw two trend lines joining the top. Sorry, this is you need to draw the top. That is what. Say for example, you draw something like this. It's not possible to draw on this sheet, and once this trend line has been broken, prices move down. This will be a continuation pattern, and prices will continue to fall down. This is a way a triangle pattern needs 5 touch points. Basically, the prerequisites is 5. Many analysts draw 2 touch points and 3 touch points, but this something is not acceptable when you are actually uh, expert in identifying a trend pattern. So this is how you can actually draw a triangle pattern. Say for example, if the market is advancing, you then something like this happens. So again, this can be a triangle pattern, and then it moves up and it goes up higher. So this can also be a triangle. So this, whatever I have shown you, is a continuation pattern. So let us understand how a reversal pattern happens. Say for example, if the market is falling down and then you find it something like this, you draw it and then you wait for the upper trend line to move up, and then it moves up back, forming again a higher highs and higher lows. So this is how a reversal happens at the bottom. Similarly, at the top, you will see something like, so you need to draw a triangle. It moves down and it reverses back like this way. So this is how you will identify a triangle. So what are the how do you identify a triangle? So for a triangle to form, first it needs to make a high, then a bottom, then again a high, but this time it should not move above this line, above this top. Then it again has to move back down, but this time it should not reach this bottom. And again it has to go up, this time it should not reach this top, and again it has to come down, this time it should not reach this bottom. And then you have to place a trend line joining the tops and the bottoms, and this trend line needs to be converging, which means that at somewhere down the line these two trend lines need to touch each other. not necessarily after completing the triangle, but it can touch, later, once the pattern gives a breakout, and that touch point where the two trend lines converge each other, it is also known as an apex point. So this is how a triangle is all about. uh, those who want to understand this pattern in detail and understand the pattern targets and how you identify this pattern, and other rules and regulations of this pattern, they can definitely mail me at meghmodi@gmail.com, which is on your screen. And to get the details there, you can definitely mail me for this webinar. That's all from my side. Thank you so very much.